Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your screen timeout to never using app called Caffeine on your Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. So if we go to the settings, always on screen and lock, and press on the sleep setting, the maximum timeout is 10 minutes. And to change that to infinite, you'll need to go to Google Play Store. So let's go open a Google Play Store, search for an app, Caffeine. It's this app, press install. After the download is finished and the app is installed, click on the open, then navigate to timeout settings, and from here you can change to whatever timeout you want. But if you want infinite, make sure it's selected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.